लाफिंग ना मैं वहाँ से खाया था सुबह को.
This one different.
This one different?
Yeah.
Okay. Then let's try. Yeah, it is actually white laughing. Oh, you're giving me apple?
Apple.
I can't eat so much. उनको पूछेंगे आप, उनकी एक फ़ोटो ले सकता हूँ क्या मैं? आप इनको पूछेंगे मैं इनकी एक फ़ोटो ले सकता हूँ?
पूछना पड़े ना.
हाँ.
वो अभी
वो जा रहे हैं.
थोड़ा से उम्र बड़ा है ना.
हाँ वो जा रहे हैं.
ये समझ नहीं आएगा. पुप्पू पर क्या कर रहा है? पर क्या ना दिख रहा है?
पर जैसे
खोगे पर क्या ना दिख रहा है? वाला किराना लगा.
ना क्यों कम
पर क्या ना दिख रहा है?
Yes.
पर क्या ना दिख रहा है?
Okay, okay, thank you. Yes. Thank you.
नान
तो जिस है.
नान साल. कब पुप्पू
कितना साल?
लो नान साल.
कितना 90?
90.
90. Is 90-year-old. तो जिस है. थोड़ा थोड़ा याद आता है. अब थोड़ा सा वहाँ देखो.
ये क्या है?
Have some.
This is good.
Do you want to buy this? It's not easy to sell. किसी को मिले तो आप ताश दले बोलते हो. अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ तो मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ? Again we are flaunting the Tibetan yak 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 T-shirt. यहाँ पे best Tibetan restaurant कौन सा रहेगा?
Tibetan restaurant.
Do you miss the place?
We missed the place and want to go back.
Now we've arrived at Tibet Bakery. I've heard that this is also quite famous, and we can consider this also street food because it's right on the street. Touch the leg. Touch the leg, brother.
Yes.
I want to have something here,
Okay, sure.
which is not very sweet.
Carrot cake.
Carrot cake?
Yeah.
I had one yesterday somewhere
Okay.
else. Suggest something else.
Banana muffin?
Banana muffin?
Yeah.
Something that you only find here?
Here, Tibetan cookies. This one, like.
Tibetan cookies.
Yeah.
You only find them here?
Yeah.
Okay, what's special about them?
No, they have like inside barley. You know?
Barley.
Peanuts, raisin, jaggery,
Hmm.
like sugar, like this.
Okay. I can have this, but let me see something else also. Let me see what else you have. What else would you recommend if you had to recommend?
Yeah, cake. You like?
कौन सा वाला?
Yes.
ये वाला?
Yeah.
Yak cheese.
Yeah.
Oh, this is called yak cheese slice. Okay, we can have
Means a powder, yeah.
we can have something that contains yak.
Yak means it's actually tea. Female is called a tea.
So the female of yak is called D. I'll have one of these
Yeah.
and this cookie. Oh. There's a ditch here. Okay, this is also street food because this is the street. So we'll include this in the street food vlog. Yes, yes. What's your name, brother?
My name is Tintuk.
Huh?
Tintuk.
Tentuk.
Yeah.
Tentuk the dish.
T-H-O-N-T-U-P. Tintuk.
Tentuk. Tentuk. Okay. His name is Tentuk. I heard Tentuk, which is a Tibetan dish. Very delicious. Tentuk. Let me take off the mask and now the sound should be better. Touch the leg. Tibetan heaven here in McLeodganj. Dasa. I've said it in one of the earlier vlogs. Dharamshala is also called Dasa to make it sound like Lhasa, which is the capital city of Tibet. Touch the leg.
And here comes your nice cake.
This is इसमें yak का क्या है?
Yak powder है. Powder.
Yak का powder, milk powder.
Milk powder.
Okay. So it contains a powdered yak milk.
Cream, coconut,
Mm.
and little sugar. And chopping.
Sure. Let's see. I hope it's not too sweet, but we can eat it for once. Mm. Yeah, it is amazing. It has coconut also.
Yeah, also.
Chocolate, coconut,
Yeah.
and
Cream.
yeah, cream. Sublime. It's a little difficult to vlog and eat at the same time. Can you be the cameraman for some time? Guys, look at this now. Thank you. This place is Tibet quality bakery. Look at the stuff here.
Cheese here, cheese. Yak cheese.
This is yak cheese.
Yeah.
Wow. ये कितने का एक पीस?
ये 200 ग्राम का 300 है.
200 ग्राम का 300 rupees.
Yeah. 100 ग्राम का 150.
Okay, that's yak cheese, which they're selling 200 grams for, as you heard, 300 rupees. ये कहाँ से आता है याक चीज़?
ये रोहतांग पास.
रोहतांग पास. कहाँ पे पड़ता है वो? लद्दाख के वहाँ पे. Okay. Yak is an animal which is only found in the Himalayan mountains, in the Ladakh and Nepal and Tibet region.
Yes. Suppose yak is a male.
Yeah.
So female we call actually tea.
Tea.
Mostly people did definition about
They don't
this
know,
tea.
so they only call it yak.
Yes. The yak is the most animal, very popular animal. So that's why yak.
Yeah. So guys, so
People
yeah.
didn't know it yet.
So when I say yak milk,
Yes.
it's actually the milk of the female yak, which is called D or T. T or D?
T double E.
T as in Tibet.
No, T ABC D.
D, right, D, okay. D as in DC Traveler. D. Now let me finish this and then we also try a Tibetan cookie.
Hello. So you should this one you take with in journey.
In journey?
When you go to journey, then you should take with this one a cup of tea and good combination with this one. So that's much better like this.
Thank you for explaining. Cost of this food is 110 rupees. 80 for that slice that we had and 30 for Tibetan cookie. 110 bola na?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's pay up now. Yellow brother.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Toji chai.
Okay. See you. See you. Thank you.
Now it's open.
This one naked. Check Anna.
You went checking for me. Okay, now it's open, right? मोमोज है ताज तलक चलो मोमोज खाते हैं. हाँ लाफिंग मैंने वहाँ आगे खाया. अभी मोमोज खाते हैं. वो आगे वो तिब्बत बेकरी है ना,
ये है ना.
ये भी खाया मैंने, सब खाया मैंने. You had everything.
It's good.
I've had it. Yeah, it's good. It's good. I bought it from here only.
कब से?
कब से? हाँ.
If you come New Year, we are making this.
न्यू ईयर करेक्ट. इसने इन्होंने बताया मुझे. बैठो बैठो. So excited. As I am too. I am from Bangalore. So I am from Gujarat, but I am living in Bangalore currently.
Oh, Bangalore.
मेरा काम अभी बैंगलोर में है. कौन सा मोमो है?
Last year.
पोटैटो एंड पालक. पालक नहीं है, पोटैटो है. आलू.
फूल गोभी.
ठीक है. आलू मोमो.
आलू मोमो.
हाँ. We'll have potato momo again. They don't have palak momo. I've heard that they make momos with palak as well. We've never had it, but we'll see. If we find it, we'll have it. कहाँ मिलता है पालक मोमो?
पालक मोमो 25 देरी आई 25 मोमो बनाने.
बाद में बनेगा देरी से.
बाद में आदमी ज़्यादा आएंगे तो उसमें बनाएगा।
So they're saying when there are more customers, then they'll make palak momo. It's okay. I'm not too excited about palak anyways. But yeah, we'll have potato momo. We've had it once, but only once. So we can have it again here, since we are on a street food tour of Tibetan food. And she is taking out the momos from here. घर से बना के आए हो ना? So what they do is they make these dumplings from home. They come here, they have a gas here, and they will steam up the momos by putting in this steamer. We will take half a plate of momos again.
I also
Because
take half.
now you take half. We will share them. हम लोग half करेंगे. You share with me. Laughing ना मैं वहाँ से खाया था सुबह को.
This one different.
This one different?
Yeah.
Okay. Then let's try. Yeah, it is actually white laughing, which in the morning that boy told us not to have because he thought that I won't like it. Oh, you're giving me apple?
apple.
I can't eat so much.
Yeah.
मैं सुबह से खा ही रहा हूँ.
अच्छा.
सब स्ट्रीट फूड कवर कर रहा हूँ. ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. This is too much. This is too much. I just want one spoon. एक स्पून खाऊंगा.
को मान दो सर.
ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. फिर मेरे को मोमोज भी खाना है ना.
सुनिए. क्या पूछे? पूछे. पूछा. सुनिए. क्या पूछे?
Let's taste the white laughing.
हाँ पूछे सुनो. सुनिए पूछे इसकी.
Not bad. I wonder why that guy told me not to have white laughing. वहाँ आगे कॉर्नर पे सुबह लाफिंग खाया ना मैंने, तो वो लड़का मेरे को बोला कि तुम लोग को वाइट लाफिंग नहीं पसंद आएगा, येलो खाओ. वाइट भी अच्छा है.
मेरे बच्चे ये बनाने. ना शो में तो सभी लगा.
बाद में ये सब बनाएंगे मुझे.
ये बनाने यहाँ पे.
Make this loving cheese can.
I can't finish this. अभी ना मेरे को
She want to make this white laving. She stay backside. And she want to sell.
she can sell. Now if I have this, I won't be able to have momos. बस हो गया. ये किसके लिए आया है? किसके लिए? ये मेरे लिए. I just came here for momos, guys. Butter tea, I know. मैं जब से आया हूँ तब से पी रहा हूँ रोज. I like it. I just came here for momos and see what they're giving me. White laughing, apple, butter tea. The momos are finally getting ready. Good. So after this one, I was actually thinking of going further up there and have butter tea to end the food tour, the street food tour. But guess we won't have to go there now. ये आलू है. अच्छा वो उसका अलग है. अच्छा वो कौन से खा रहे हैं? आपका कौन सा है?
आलू.
तो ये भी आलू है ना? ये कौन सा है? ये आलू नहीं है, सब्जी है. ओके
ये आलू है.
चलेगा, मैं ये खा
दोनों
सकता हूँ.
टेस्ट. First you taste veg.
Let's take one of aloo and give. I think this one has cauliflower and some vegetable. We asked for aloo momo, but it's good. Anyways, we've not tried the other momos, so we'll get to have that now. थोड़ा मिर्ची डालेंगे इसमें. We will show everything. She's taking out the spoon from the bag. इसमें ओके
कितना डालना?
मैं डालूं?
हाँ
अच्छा.
डालना. ज़्यादा डालो ना थोड़ा डाल मेरा पता नहीं
इतना और इतना थैंक यू पहुँची छे now let's have first we'll have the bite of aloo momos that we know oh no
Good.
first try the other momo so that if we don't like it much then we will then have aloo momo
Aloo is better.
it has something like cabbage or cauliflower I can't eat so much
अच्छा है
बहुत अच्छा है इसको पकड़ेंगे कोई आएगा तो मुझे दे दो
दोस्ती दोस्ती
दोस्ती दोस्ती
हाँ
We are friends now.
दोस्ती बच्चे आई मुझे चार्जिंग आ रहा
ऐसा ऐसा ऐसा
हाँ अच्छा
Alright guys now let's दे दो thank you let's turn off the camera for some time and let me have the momo and I'll have some chat the ambience here is quite lively
Sire, Maltesia.
I'll see you soon guys they're forcing me to have more and more food they put 3 more aloo momos in my plate and I can't finish these 2 also ये ना ये 2 ले लो आप वापस
अच्छा
नहीं खा सकूंगा मैं बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया
बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया
मैं सुबह से फूड ही खा रहा हूँ
अच्छा
अलग अलग जगह पे जाके
हाँ
अभी ये लास्ट है
अच्छा आगे आलू मोमो सगरा आलू मोमो सगरा
Ada apa?
Catch the net.
आलू मोमो
आलू मोमो खाएंगे आप मोमो ला
Amal, aloo mumutisa. Acha. Aloo mumutisa, amal.
So this Tibetan street food tour video is going to turn out more interesting than I thought, than I imagined when I started, when I came out of the hostel. And now Tibetan butter tea on street. Fantastic. I'm not going to be having momos because I can't have one more momo. I have no space at all in my stomach. ये सब मैं नहीं खा पाऊंगा. I'm too full. I see the portrait opportunity here. आपकी एक फोटो लूँ मैं फोन में. उनको बोले एक फोटो लूँ. एक फोटो बहुत अच्छा है. चलो मेरा कितना हो गया अभी? I don't even know how much I have to pay now because I came for aloo momo and I have had so much now. मेरे को कितना पैसा देना है अभी? मोमो बटर टी नहीं छोड़ दो नहीं आप बताओ कितना देने का नहीं ऐसे नहीं they don't want to take money that can't happen so then if you don't tell me then I'll just give on my own momos butter tea apple
I give money.
नहीं बस हो गया done we are done नहीं हो गया रखो नहीं आप रखो
This Tibetan tea, I give money. This
no
one.
then I have to give money to you take the money no that's it bye so guys that was the fantastic Tibetan street food vlog. I'm sure you liked it so now you know what to do. Until next time, signing off from McLeodganj, Dharamshala. Bye bye.